Everyone, greetings to you. It's your boy EO Godwin. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to register on Forsage Tron. Okay, this is easy guide. I'm very happy Forsage Tron just launched today, and I'm glad I'm below the first 3,000 people. Actually, I got my upline is Vitali. That's my upline, Vitality. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but that's my upline. You are going to love it. So what I want you to do is I want you to follow me step by step, because it's a little tricky at the moment. I believe most of you already know about Forsage, but in case you don't know about it already, Forsage is a 100% decentralized smart contract that is built on the Ethereum blockchain network. And currently there is a very big challenge on Forsage Ethereum, hence they newly launched a new program today. So the earlier you join, the better for you. Okay, so I recommend that after watching this video, you join through my link in the video description. Okay, our team is really awesome. Our team will really help you. Okay, we drive paid traffic to our partner link, meaning you get a lot of spillages and overflows. Okay, so let me show you what to do. All right, I already signed up for Forsage Tron, and it pains me that I did not even follow I should have showed you the video right from the beginning. The reason why I didn't do that is because I was in a hurry. I don't want this thing to bypass me. Okay, that's why I just had to do it in a hurry. I already got 2 spillovers already in almost immediately. Okay, so basically what you need to do first, you need to copy the link in the video description. That's my referral link. Okay, with that link I'm going to send you some free promotional materials, email softwares, and landing pages, and free different kind of stuff, guys. So this is my ID 3923. You can go ahead and check it out. I already opened some accounts. It's a new account. All right, I already got 2 spillovers, right? And those spillovers they went up to my upline. Okay, so what you need to do now is, once you get the link, I just copied the link right now. You go to just go to Google Chrome and paste in the link. There's what I want to show you. There's something I want to show you. All right, so this is the account. This is my account. Let me go ahead and let me do this again afresh. Let's see. I hope it opens up. If it doesn't open up, then I have to log out. Okay, you see this? This is my account. So let me log out. All right, you see I already opened you see some of this stuff I would have showed you. Okay, so basically what you need to do, how did I do that? You see I already got 2 spillovers. Where are they? 2 spillovers. All right, almost instantly. That's what you are seeing right here. Okay, now basically let me log out first and show you what to do. Now once you are in here, okay, for such registration, you'll be directed to this page. If you click that my link to this particular page, and make sure you confirm it's ID 3923. all right, then click on automatic registration, and you'll be prompted to download this app. Just go ahead and click on it. It will redirect you to the Google Play App Store. Okay, just go ahead and download it. That is if you are using Android, and iOS you select for that also. Now just go to Google Play Store and you are going to download it. As you can see, I already got it downloaded, so you just have to open it up. Once you open it up, you just have to open that up. Okay, open it up. All right, so that's it. I'm in. This is inside my I have about $21 in it. Now let me show you some of my transactions. All right, some of my transactions. How will I show you now? Okay, once you click on this is history. Now let's click on that, and boom, guys, you see this. So this is legit. So if you join our team, you are going to, you see the 3,180 trons. All right, so I already registered with all of those stuff. So what you need to do, once you come to this app, what you need to do again, just go ahead and copy the link in the video description. That's my referral link, okay, because that's the way it's going to work. Okay, just go ahead and copy the referral link and come to this page and click on this me. If you click on discover and you paste in the link here, is not going to work. Let me show you an example that is not going to work. All right, it's supposed to work, but unfortunately it's not working. So let me show you a trick, all right, that you are going to use. Just click on me. Once you click on me, click on advanced features. Once you click on advanced features, click on the app browser. Once you click on the app browser, just paste in my referral link. Okay, once you paste that in, just click on this and that's it, you are in. It's going to prompt you, it's going to take you to the page. Since my network, okay, my network is somehow down. All right, please pardon, stick with me, I'm sorry for the network breakage. All right, so it's going to open up. All right, it's coming up. So basically, once you just click on that and it opens up, that's pretty much the step. All you have to do, make sure you already have Tron inside this wallet already. Now check the video description. You are going to see exactly how you can get Tron into this particular application. All right, all you have to do, you can go to a website called Binance, and that's it. You see this? So I'm inside. So for you, it might not open this for you. It will prompt you to make purchase. All you have to do is click on the purchase. Is going to click show confirm purchase. Like I showed you already, I only have $21 on this account right now. Okay, so it might not work for me for the moment. Now basically it's going to show you something like this, then click on OK. Now feel free to ask me questions and I'll be glad to help you, okay, because I also want you to join our team. All right, so basically you are going to earn a lot by joining us. All right, so I hope this will help you for in a particular time. Is going to help you, so do make sure that you follow through. Okay, just feel free to ask me question in the comment section below, and also check the description. You are going to see my contact. All right, so you get in touch with me. Now this is my upline, you see this? So my upline ID is 402. okay, meaning that I'm going to get a lot of spillovers, which means you are going to get a lot of spillovers. This is our team, these are the top leaders, you see this? So basically that's what you need to do to make money. All right, that's pretty much how to register for Forsage using the right application. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe. I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.